All right, we went to our local card shop and we got some mystery grab bags. We're gonna see what we have. When you open it, you can either get like a blue ticket, that means you win a prize.
Ticket.
That's what I said, ticket. Or a yellow thing for Johnny Bucks, or a green thing for points. So we're gonna see what we got. And I'm being rushed to open it here. Oh no. Okay.
You gotta hold it down.
Well, I'm trying to open it. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, points. First grab bag, points. Let's see what we have in it. Oh, don't lose the point. Tony Allen, numbered 67 out of 199. Franchise feature, LaMarcus Aldridge.
Oh, he retired, but he's thinking about coming back.
Adam Morrison. This dude looks like he's from the 70s. Oh, but it's numbered. 1146 out of 1499. Oh, let's see if this guy's numbered. Oh, yeah? That one is 146 of 149. What do we have here? Another numbered.
The bubblegum?
24 out of 350. Lamar Odom. Oh, he went crazy, I think, right? Michael Beasley. Numbered 502 out of 2009. Let's see, we got Authentic Threads. Serge Ibaka. Not a number. We got a signature here of Thon Maker. Numbered Prism 125 out of 149.
Is that a rookie?
I don't think so.
Global Icons?
All right, so let's see. That was our first bag. Let's try the second one. Maybe this is better opening it. Oh, that was better. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, points again. Let's see. And they got some cool little shit you can buy with the points, so. Let's see. Kyle Korver, forward. He looks like he's 12 in this one. Numbered 57 out of 199. Finite. Major Factors. I'm assuming that means numbered. 96 out of 500.
What's his name?
Oh, name is Andre.
Kirilenko?
Yes, Kirilenko's. We got a Joel Embiid. Keep sucking, like the commercial.
What is it? Keep it down. You gotta keep it.
Oh, numbered here. We got a 65 out of 99. Sweet jersey shut. Ben Gordon. Not numbered, but we got a little piece of jersey. And then we got a big fat one here. Got a piece of basketball. Hornets MVP, Eddie Jones, game used. All right, that's from that pack. Oh, this last one. See what we got in here. Feels kind of skinny. Oh no! Points again. We did not win the prize. The prize was a rated Zion. So we did not get it. That means my brother probably got it. Let's see. Excalibur Panini, Gordon Hayward.
What year is that?
It is from, I don't know, 2015. And that is numbered 62 out of 149. We have an Orlando Magic here, Travis Dieners. 416 out of 449.
549.
Let's see. Number 1110 out of 1599. Jerry Welsh. Al Jefferson, numbered 81 out of 99. Udonis Haslam, isn't he really old? 32 out of 99.
What year? Slow down. What year is that?
Oh, year 2011. Scott Padgett rookie. 33.46 out of 39.99. We got a signature and some,
Oh, really?
whatever that
Patch.
is. A patch. Jamal Magliores. Not numbered, but it's got a signature. And then we have a Steve Francis and a Jason Richardson. I got a piece of something there. Not numbered, but that's what we got. So we got points, no blue ticket. Maybe next time. Thank you. Come again. If you like and subscribe.